Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can turn on or off automatic folding mirrors in your Mercedes-Benz car. I'm on my Mercedes-Benz GLB, but if you have any other variant of Mercedes-Benz which uses MBUX, the process will be same. What you need to do is just press on home button and then just scroll here and then search for the settings option. This is the settings option here. So I'm going to press on the settings option. Here you need to select the vehicle option, and then you have this option here which is called automatic fold in. So when you see this option selected, just press it once to enable this feature and then press once again to just disable this feature. Okay, so this is how you can control automatic fold in on your Mercedes-Benz car. I hope you enjoyed this video and I will see you in the next video.